Dear students, today we will see trigonometric functions of multiple angles from chapter trigonometry second. Okay. Angles of the form 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta, etc. are integral multiple of theta. Therefore, these angles are called multiple angles. Suppose if the angle theta is 30 degree, then 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta means what? 2 times 30 means 60 degree, 90 degree, then 120 degree. These angles are called multiple angles of theta. Okay. If given angle is theta and it's 2 times 3 times the integral multiple, then these type of angles are called multiple angles of given angle. Okay. And angles of the form theta by 2, 3 theta by 2, etc. are called submultiple of theta. Suppose if theta is 30 degree, then what is theta by 2? Theta by 2 means 15 degree. 3 theta by 2 means what? This is 3 by 2 times 30 means 45 degree. If theta is 30 degree, then 15 and 45 degree. These angles are called submultiple angles of theta. Okay? And in today's lecture, we will see the multiple angles and submultiple angles. And if angles is theta by 2, then it is also called half angles of theta. Okay? Let's see the theorem. Now we will see trigonometric functions of double angles, that is 2 theta. And there is theorem for any angle theta. We have to prove that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine theta cos theta is equal to 2 times tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And second is cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is also equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And third is tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. These are formulas of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. And we have to derive the proof of these formulae. Okay, let's see one by one. First, we will prove this sin 2 theta. Okay, now to prove this sin 2 theta, we have studied one of the formula in our previous lecture that sin a plus b means what? This is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We have derived this formula in our previous lecture. Now, to prove this sin 2 theta, I can split this 2 theta as sin theta plus theta. Now for this I will use this formula. We know that sin a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. And see here value of a and b is same. Therefore keep in this formula value of a also theta, b also theta. Then this will be sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. Then what is this? Sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta means this is 2 times sin theta cos theta. Okay, in this way we have got this formula. Okay, this will be our first. Okay, then we have to prove this second. Now we know that in the division of any number there is 1. Write down this sin theta cos theta as it is, and in the division of any number there is 1. And in the next step for this one I will keep sin square theta plus cos square theta. This identity. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Write down this 2 sin theta cos theta as it is. For this one, I will keep cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Therefore, for this one, I am keeping cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. Now, divide numerator and denominator by cos square theta. If I divide numerator and denominator by cos square theta, then this will be 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos square theta. And in the denominator also you divide by cos square theta, then this will be cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, now simplify this. Now this will be 2 times. Now one of the cos theta will get cancelled and here remains sin theta divided by cos theta. And in the division, if I divide this cos square theta by cos square theta, then I will get 1. And here remains sin square theta divided by cos square theta. In the next step, what is this? This is 2 times sin theta divided by cos theta means 2 times tan theta. And this is 1 plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta means tan square theta. Okay, in this way we have got this second identity. Okay, in this way we have got this second formula. In this way we have got two formulae for sine 2 theta. One of the formulae is sine 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine theta cos theta, and second formula is this: sine 2 theta means 2 times tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of sine theta in terms of tan theta. Okay, and in this way we have proved our first result. Now we will prove the second. Okay, now for this second, let's see. Again, I can split this angle cos theta plus theta. And we have seen one of the formula in our previous lecture, that cos A plus B. What is mean by cos A plus B? Cos A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We have proved this formula in our previous lecture. We will use this. Here see, A is also theta, B is also theta. Therefore, in this formula, keep value of A theta, value of B also theta. Then this will be cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. And what is this? This is nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta. And in this way, we have got this first result. Okay, this is our first result. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. First result. Okay, now we will prove this second result. Okay, now see, in the second result there is only cos and sin square theta is vanished. Therefore, using our first identity, that is, our first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this identity, we know value of sin square theta is what? 1 minus cos square theta. I will keep that here. Value of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta from our first identity. Then open the bracket. This will be cos square theta minus 1 minus minus plus cos square theta. And this cos square theta plus cos square theta will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. In this way, we have got the second result, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Means we have got second formula for cos 2 theta. This is second formula for cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now we will prove this third. To prove this third, you again write down the first result, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta as it is. And to prove third result, see, there is only sin theta. Therefore, using our first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, I will keep value of cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, keep value of cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, this is minus sin square theta. Now open the bracket, 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. And this is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In this way, we have got third formula for cos 2 theta. This is our third formula for cos 2 theta. Okay, and we have proved this. Okay, now we will prove this last fourth formula. Okay, to prove this, again I will write this first result. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta as it is. Okay, then write down this first result. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now again we know that there is 1 in the division of any number, and for this one, from our first identity, I will keep cos square theta plus sin square theta, because I know from our first identity that value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and keep the numerator as it is. Okay, now I will divide numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Therefore, divide numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Then this will be okay. Now, if I divide cos square theta by cos square theta, I will get here 1. Sin square theta divided by cos square theta here. Here cos square theta divided by cos square theta 1. And here plus sin square divided by cos square theta. And what is this? This is nothing but 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And we have got fourth formula for cos 2 theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is our fourth formula. Okay. In this way we have proved our second result. See here, we have proved this second result. Means we have got all the four formulas for cos 2 theta. First, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Second formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. And third formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And fourth formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. In this way we have got the result. Okay. Now we will prove the final result. This. Now this tan 2 theta. Again I can write this tan theta plus theta. And in our previous lecture we have studied one of the formula for tan a plus b. What is that formula? I know that tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay. Now in this formula value of a and b both is same. Okay. Therefore I will keep in this formula value of a as theta and b as theta. Then I will get tan theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. Okay. Then what is this? Tan theta plus tan theta means 2 times tan theta. And this is in the denominator 1 minus tan theta into tan theta means tan square theta. In this way it is very simple to derive the formula for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta or tan 2 theta. For that you must only know the formula of sin a plus b, cos a plus b and tan a plus b. If you know these formulae of compound angles, then it is very easy to prove the formula of double angles, that is sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. And whatever I have written in a rectangular box, you remember that this is a formula. In this way we have proved the formula for sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta cos theta. Then next formula for sin 2 theta is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 times tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And for cos 2 theta, first formula is cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then second is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Third is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then fourth formula for cos is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And the formula for tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, now this is called formula for sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. This is called formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta. Okay, now see that in this formula, if I keep the value of 2 theta as theta, then we will get the half angle formula. Okay, now see, we know the formula for sin 2 theta is 2 times sin theta cos theta. In this formula, if I keep the value of 2 theta is equal to theta, then what will be theta? Theta will be theta by 2. In this formula, if I keep instead of 2 theta, theta, then what will be theta? Theta will be theta by 2. Then this formula will get changed as sin theta is equal to 2 times sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is called half angle formula, or you can say submultiple angle of theta. Or instead of, if I keep 2 theta as t, then this implies theta is equal to t by 2. Means if I keep here instead of 2 theta, if I keep t, then sin t will be 2 times. What will be theta? Theta will be t by 2. Then this will be sin t by 2 cos t by 2. This is called half angle formula or submultiple angle of theta. Okay. And if I have to convert this formula, see here, what is the second formula for sin 2 theta? That is 2 times tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Again, if I keep instead of 2 theta t, then this will be sin t is equal to 2 times tan. What is theta? Theta will be t by 2. And this will be 1 plus tan square t by 2. Okay. In this way, we can convert these double angles into submultiple angles or half angles. Okay. In this way, we have got this half angle formula for sin theta or sin t. Okay. Similarly, we will prove the formula for cos 2 theta. Now see, the formula for cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Again, if I keep 2 theta is equal to t, then what happens? Theta will be t by 2. Then this formula becomes cos t is equal to cos square t by 2 minus sin square t by 2. And what is the second formula? Second formula is what? Second formula is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then this becomes cos t is equal to 2 cos square t by 2 minus 1. Third formula is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And this becomes as a half angle formula cos t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t by 2. Okay. And what is the last? The next formula is, see here, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And this formula becomes cos t is equal to 1 minus tan square t by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2. And what happens with the last, that is tan 2 theta? We know the formula for tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. And this becomes, after keeping value of 2 theta theta, this becomes tan theta is equal to 2 times tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. If I keep 2 theta is equal to theta, then this implies theta is equal to theta by 2. Or if I keep 2 theta is equal to t, then theta will be t by 2. That is tan t is equal to 2 times tan t by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2. Means in this formula of double angle, if you keep value of 2 theta, here theta, then this becomes theta by 2. See, if angle is here 2 theta, then here is half the angle of theta, that is theta. If here is 2 theta, here is theta. And if I keep here theta, then here will be angle theta by 2. Or if you keep the value of 2 theta t, then this becomes, theta becomes t by 2. This is formula in terms of theta, this is in terms of t. Okay, students? These are called half angle formulae or submultiple angles of theta. Okay. Now we will see the trigonometric functions of triple angle, that is 3 theta. And there is theorem for any angle theta, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 times sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Second is cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And third is tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, let's prove this one by one. Now to prove the first, that is sin 3 theta, I can split this 3 theta as sin 2 theta plus theta. And again I know the formula for sin A plus B is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. I will use this formula. And what is A here? A is 2 theta and B is theta. Therefore this becomes sin 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sin theta. In this formula I have kept the value of A 2 theta. See here 2 theta and value of B theta. Okay. Now just in our previous example or previous theorem, I have seen the formula for sin 2 theta, that is 2 times sin theta cos theta. Therefore for this sin 2 theta I will keep 2 times sin theta cos theta. Okay. And this cos theta as it is. Okay. Plus. Now for this cos 2 theta, what formula I have to use? I have seen 4 formulae. But see here in the right hand side, there is only sin theta. Therefore, I will use the formula of cos 2 theta which contains only sin. And what is that formula? Cos 2 theta will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We have seen 4 formulae for cos theta, but I am using only that formula which contains only sin theta. Okay, therefore for cos 2 theta I will keep this value 1 minus 2 sin square theta and keep this sin theta as it is. Okay, now simplify this. This will be 2 sin theta. Now this cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta plus, open this bracket, this will be sin theta minus 2 times sin cube theta. Now see here in the right hand side there is only sin, therefore I have to transfer this cos square theta into sin square theta. And I know one of the identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this identity, we know the value of cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Therefore, I will keep that. Keep this 2 sine theta as it is. Value of cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. And keep the remaining terms as it is. Now simplify this. Open the bracket. This will be 2 sine theta minus 2 times sine square theta into sine theta sine cube theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. Okay. Now simplify this. See, this 2 sine theta and this sine theta will be 3 times sine theta. And what is this? This is 2 and this is minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4 sine cube theta. In this way, we have got the formula for sine 3 theta, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. If you know the formula of sine A plus B, that is the formula of compound angle for sine A plus B, then formula of sine 2 theta cos 2 theta, then it is very easy to prove the formula. In this way, we have got our first result, that is sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. We have got first. Okay. Now we will prove the second. Now again, to prove the second, that is cos 3 theta, I will split this cos 3 theta as cos 2 theta plus theta. And here we will use the formula of cos A plus B. And what is the formula of cos A plus B? That is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And what is A here? A is 2 theta and B is theta. I will keep in this formula value of A 2 theta and B theta. Therefore, this will be cos 2 theta into cos theta minus sin 2 theta into sin theta. Okay. Now, see, in this theorem, to the right hand side, there is only cos theta. Therefore, I have to use here formula for sin 2 theta and again formula of cos 2 theta. But we have seen 4 formulae for cos 2 theta. And as there is in the right hand side only cos theta, therefore I will use the formula of cos 2 theta which contains only cos. Okay. And what is the formula for cos 2 theta which contains only cos? That is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And for sin 2 theta, I will use the formula 2 times sin theta cos theta. Okay. Now, in this formula, you keep the value of cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 and keep this cos theta as it is. And for this sin 2 theta, 2 times sin theta cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now simplify this, open the bracket. This will be 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. And this is 2 times cos theta and sin into sin, that is sin square theta. And as in the right hand side there is only cos theta, therefore I have to convert this sin square theta into cos square theta. And for that again you use the first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this identity sin square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Then you write down this value of sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. Now open the bracket. This will be minus minus plus 2 cos cube theta. Now 2 cos cube theta, 2 cos cube theta means 4 cos cube theta. And this will be minus 1 time minus 2 times, that is minus 3 times cos theta. In this way we have got the formula of cos 3 theta. Okay. This is the formula for cos 3 theta. Now we will prove the last formula, that is for tan 3 theta. Again I can write this tan 3 theta tan 2 theta plus theta. See, in each and every case I am splitting this 3 theta into 2 theta plus theta. And I have seen the formula of tan A plus B. What is that? That is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. I will use this formula. And what is A here? A is 2 theta and B is theta. Therefore, this can be written as tan 2 theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta. Okay. Now, what is the formula for tan 2 theta? Just we have derived in our previous theorem. Tan 2 theta means 2 times tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Now I will keep the value of tan 2 theta here. Tan 2 theta means 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Plus tan theta. Again in the denominator you keep the value of tan 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta into tan theta. Okay. Now take the LCM in the numerator. This will be 1 minus tan square theta, 2 tan theta plus tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. For the denominator also you take the LCM 1 minus tan square theta, and this will be 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta into tan theta. See here, this 1 minus tan square theta and this 1 minus tan square theta will get cancelled, and what remains here? This is 2 tan theta. Then here open the bracket, this will be tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta into tan theta, tan square theta. And after simplification, what is this? This is 2 plus 1, that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 1 and this minus 2, that is minus 3 tan square theta. And what is this? This is nothing but tan 3 theta. In this way we have got the formula for tan 3 theta, which we have to prove. See, we have to prove this and we have got. Okay. In this way, all these three we have to remember as a formula. All these three we have to remember as a formula. This is the formula for sin 3 theta. This is the formula for cos 3 theta. And this is the formula for tan 3 theta. Okay. In today's lecture, we have derived the formulae for trigonometric functions of double angles and trigonometric functions of triple angle. Let's summarize that. What is the formula for double angle? See, for sin 2 theta, we have derived the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Then second formula, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is called the formula for sin theta in terms of tan theta. Okay. Then for cos 2 theta, we have derived the formula cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is first formula. Then second will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Third formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And fourth formula, that is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. And for tan 2 theta, we have derived the formula 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square. In this way, we have derived this formula of double angle. These are called double angle formulae. Okay. And from this, we have got also half angle formulae, or we can say submultiple angles. Half angle formula or submultiple angles. What is the half angle formula? If I keep 2 theta is equal to t, then this implies that theta will be t by 2. Then what will be the formula? Sin t. This is equal to 2 times sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Means if the angle is 2 theta, then that's half angle is here. If angle is theta or t, then it's half t by 2 is here. Then what happens to this formula? This will be 2 tan t by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2. Okay. First will be transferred as it is. Now what will be second? This will be cos t is equal to cos square t by 2 minus sin square t by 2. Or you can write 2 cos square t by 2 minus 1. Or you can write 1 minus 2 sin square t by 2. These are half angle formula. Or in terms of tan, you can write cos t is equal to 1 minus tan t square by 2 divided by 1 plus tan t square by 2. Okay. And for this tan 2 theta, I can write tan t is equal to 2 tan t by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square t by 2. These are half angle formulae. Means here for 2 theta I am keeping t. Therefore theta will be t by 2. Okay. If you know the double angle formulae, then very easy to derive the half angle formulae. Okay. Then again we have seen the triple angle formulae. And what is the triple angle formulae? See here, sine 3 theta means 3 times sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. If the formula is sine, then to the right hand side there are terms of sine only. And if you remember this, then it is very easy to remember the formula of cos 3 theta. You only take this 4 here, this 3 here. Take the minus sign here. And here is sine cube. Here you write down cos cube theta. And here you write down cos theta. Okay, you remember the formula of sine. Take 4 here, then 3 here. Keep minus sign as it is. If here is sine theta, then here you keep cos theta. If here is sine cube, here you keep cos cube. In this way, if you remember the formula of sine 3 theta, then you will get the formula of cos 3 theta by this trick. Okay, and then what is the formula for tan 3 theta? Formula for tan 3 theta is, you have to remember this, 3 times tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, in this way, in today's lecture we have derived all these formulae. Now again, from this formula I can derive this formula. See, we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. And second formula, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. From these two formulae, I will derive the new formula. See here. You transfer this one to this side, then I will get 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. I am transferring this one to the this side, then this becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Now we have got the new formula. 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Or you can write cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Similarly, if I transfer this negative term to this side, then this will be 2 sin square theta. This will be 1 minus cos 2 theta. And we have got the formula for 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Or you can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Now, these formulae we have already derived. We are only rearranging the terms and getting these two formulae. Okay. In this way, in today's lecture, we have seen the trigonometric functions of double angle, trigonometric functions of submultiple angles, that is half angles, and trigonometric functions of triple angles. And you remember all these as a formulae. If you remember this formula of 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and tan 2 theta are very important. And if you remember the formula of 2 theta, then you take its half angle, then you will get the half angle formula. Okay. If you remember the trigonometric functions of double angles, then it is very easy to derive the trigonometric functions of triple angle. No need to remember the formula of triple angle. You only remember the formula of double angle, and from that you can able to derive the formula of half angle. If you remember all these formulae, then it is very easy to solve the problem from the exercise. Okay. In our next lecture, we will solve the problems from the exercise which are based on double angle and triple angle. Okay, students. See you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.